Biodiversity. Biodiversity means the variety of living organisms, plants, animals, and even tiny microorganisms. Every species has a purpose that helps keep nature balanced. Ano nga ba ang biodiversity? Ang biodiversity ay ang iba't ibang uri ng buhay sa ating mundo. Lahat ng uri ng organisms mula sa plants at sa mga hayop, hanggang sa mga maliliit na microorganisms na hindi natin nakikita. Bawat species, kahit gaano ito kaliit o kakaiba, may role or purpose ito sa pagpapanatili ng balance sa ating kalikasan. Halimbawa, sa Pilipinas, may mahigit na 52,000 species ng hayop at halaman. Kasama na dito ang tamaraw, tarsier, at nara tree. So, ibig sabihin nito ay napaka-diverse ng ating bansa. At sa bawat isa sa kanila ay may part sa ecosystem, na parang puzzle na kung saan bawat piraso ay mahalaga. Why biodiversity matters? Biodiversity is important because it helps ecosystems stable. Without it, humans will lose food, medicine, clean air, and clean water. Ang biodiversity ay mahalaga sa pagpamanatili ng kalusugan at stability ng ecosystem. Kapag nawala ang mga species, maapektuhan din ang mga tao kasi nagkakaroon ng walang sapat na pagkain, gamot, malinis na paghangin, at malinis na tubig. Halimbawa, isipin mo ang coral reefs. Sila ay ang tahanan ng mga libo-libong mga isda at ng iba pang marine life. Kapag nawala ang coral, maapektuhan ang buong marine ecosystem at mawawala rin ang resources na umaasa tayo sa dagat. Biodiversity ang dahilan kung bakit may iba't ibang pagkain sa mesa natin, bakit may mga gamot na laban sa sakit, at bakit may natural na proteksyon laban sa mga kalamitan.
Food security and biodiversity. Food security and biodiversity means that the variety of life in an ecosystem, plants, animals, and microorganisms help to ensure that people always have enough food, nutritious, and affordable food. It is important because it provides different types of foods, vegetables, fish, crops, and livestock that people rely on for their daily needs. How biodiversity ensure food security? Number 1. Provide a wide variety of food. More plants and animals mean more choices and better nutrition. People have more food options because there are many types of plants, animals, fish, crops, and vegetables. This means communities can get the nutrients they need from different sources, making their diet healthier and prevent hunger. Number 2. Biodiversity protect crops from pests and diseases. In a farm has only one type of crop, a single disaster can destroy everything. But if a farm has different crops, some will still survive even others are affected. This helps ensure there is always food available. Number 3. Support natural process. Pollinators like bees help fruit and vegetable grow, while soil organisms make the soil healthy. For examples, bees, insect, bird, and microorganisms help plant grow, while pollinators help fruit and vegetable develop, and soil organisms keep the soil fertile. Without this organism, food production would drop and leading to less food for people. Number 4. Strengthening survival during disasters. Community with many food sources like fish, crops, livestock, fruits, and vegetables can recover faster after typhoons or climate change. For example, when typhoons or floods happen, a community that depends on only one food source will suffer, but communities with many food sources like vegetables, fruits, livestock, rice, and fish can still find food even if one source gets destroyed. Number 5. Biodiversity help create climate resilience crops. Some plants varieties can survive heat, flood, or dry season. Having many types of crops ensured that at least some will survive climate change, protecting food production. For example, in a barangay with vegetable, rice, fruit, chickens, and fish won't go hungry even if a typhoon destroyed one source. This shows how biodiversity keeps food stable and secure. Biodiversity and medicine. Biodiversity is the variety of living organisms, plants, animals, and microorganisms. It plays a huge role in medicine because many of the medicine we use today came from nature. How biodiversity help medicine? Number 1. Biodiversity is a source of natural medicine. Many plants, animals, and microorganisms contain special chemicals can treat illness. For example, aspirin comes from the bark of the willow tree. Penicillin or antibiotic come from primate fungus. Without biodiversity, this life-saving medicine would not exist.
Cause of biodiversity loss. Some major causes of biodiversity loss include cutting down, forest pollution, climate change, and overfishing or hunting. Animal destroy habitat and lead to extinction. Example: logging in Amazon rainforest destroy animal habitats, leading to species extinction. Philippines, deforestation in Sierra Madre threaten wild species. Halimbawa, ang patuloy na pagtutroso at pagkalbo ng kagubatan sa Sierra Madre ay nagsusumira sa tirahan ng mga hayop, kanyang nalalagay sa panganib ng mga uri ng mga hayop na maaaring mauwi sa pagkalipop. Effect on society. When biodiversity declines, communities suffer, food become scarce, disease increase, and livelihood like farming and fishing are effectiveness. Future generation may inherit and damage planet. Ang example po ito na is when pollution due to overfishing, fishermen lose income, and food price increase, hunting local communities. Halimbawa po ay kapag bumaba ang dami ng isda dahil sa labis na pangingisda, lumiliit ang kinikita ng mga mangingisda at tumataas ang presyo ng isda na nagpapahirap sa mga lokal na komunidad at pamilyang umaasa dito.
What individuals can do. Individuals can play a big role in protecting the environment through small everyday actions. We can reduce plastic use, choose sustainable products, and take care of nature in simple ways. For example, segregating waste properly, refusing single-use plastic, supporting eco-friendly brands, conserving electricity, or even choosing to walk instead of using a motorcycle for short trips. These habits may look small, but when many people do them consistently, they create a big positive impact on the environment. Government and community actions. The government and communities create bigger long-term action to protect the environment. They can enforce environmental law, support sustainable farming and fishing, and preserve natural habitats. For example, creating protecting marine services, finalizing illegal logging and mining, investing in renewable energy projects, and organizing community-wide tree planting events. These programs help restore ecosystem, reduce pollution, and make our communities safer and cleaner.